Solve x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Well, the first step always is to make sure that when we're solving a polynomial that it's set equal to 0, which is already the case. So then the next step is we need to turn our sum or difference into a product so we can use the 0 product property. So that means I need to factor x squared minus 3x minus 18. So since it's a trinomial, then I'm going to basically FOIL backwards, or look at x squared, know that it can only be x times x to get me the x squared, and now I need to look at the 18 to decide which factors of 18 will add or subtract to give me 3. Well, that would be 6 times 3. And then to get a negative 3, the 6 would have to be negative, and the 3 would have to be positive. So this is completely factored. Now, if I have two factors whose product equals 0, then one or both must be 0. So either x minus 6 must be 0, or x plus 3 must be 0. Now be aware, this only works with the number 0, and this is why the first step is that you always have to set it equal to 0. So solving my first linear equation, I get x is 6, and the second one, x is negative 3. So those are the two solutions then to my polynomial. We have negative 3 and 6.